Hello, welcome back. I just started working on this journal, and then I thought I'd just turn on the camera and show you what I was doing. This is an Easter journal. I'm using all the Easter kits from Kate Crafts Designs. So it's just all rabbits and eggs and cuteness. A couple of the pages. I don't want to keep it too long, but I want to do these 2 pages or even just that page. I've been doing a bit of planning. I've made these journaling cards using everything. I've cut out the Easter tags that's in our kit and just inked them. I've got some sari silk here to put through, and I was just about to start doing a pocket. This is the fussy cups that she's got. I've been using some of them. They've got rabbits and all sorts in them. See? And this is just one of the pages, but I was going to use its pocket because my eyes aren't that good to be cutting out things that small. And I don't have a digital die cutter, so use it for journaling cards and all sorts. Right, so I've stuck these bit of music paper and some coffee dyed paper. I've just stuck it on just to fill the page. I've got some stencils that I got from Elizabeth Craft Designs. That's the number of them, the planner stencils. I'll show you them. I haven't used them yet. I'll just decide which one I want to use. I quite like that one, actually. And that's that one. So stick them there out the way. And I use this one. I was just going to use some pink, which is picked raspberry. And I'll just put a bit of decoration on them. Use a little blending brush. I don't need to go down the bottom so much because I'm going to put the pocket there. Right, I'll just a little bit just to bring up some colour. Right, in the pocket, I backed it on some old magazine page just to thicken it up slightly. This was 110 GMS or GSM, is it? Grams. I don't know what it is in pounds. I've got a clue. So I'll just cut this down. Oh, my goodness. My fingers aren't working today. This is obvious. This is not straight somehow. Right, let's measure. About there, roughly. Oh my god, fingers aren't working at all today. Try that. It's a bit high in it. that's not too bad. I'll just punch out a little notch. Just a tiny one. Give it a quick ink. This is just a straightforward, simple pocket. If you wanted to have more space in your pocket, you can score a 1/2 inch both sides and at the bottom and turn it in, and it will give you like that, and you'll have all that space inside there rather than gluing it and then you've got, well, I suppose it makes it the same size, but it just depends what type of pocket you want. Let's just glue it. I'm using Anita's tacky glue because it's great for paper, and I'm trying not to use so much of my 3-in-1 because it's more expensive. So, and this grabs pretty quick for paper. Just line it up. There we go. I've got one of the tags made up. And all I'm doing is just putting some sari silk in, level it up, and then I'm just going to tie it. There's all sorts of ways you can have it at the top, but I just like that simple way of tying it. That's a bit small for that, isn't it? I wonder if, yeah, that'll fit in. This side doesn't want it glue for some reason. Let's get the big guns out. This will stick it. Right, so I'll put one of them in there, but we just have to put a bit of decoration on this. I've been playing around making some of these. That was my first ones, and then I got mould and they're starting to get better. Could stick one of them on there. One of them. Oh, I've got some die cuts. Oh, that's not all done. No, that's not. Oh, I could use this. Get rid of that. This says memories. Oh. That's quite nice. I know what I'm gonna do. The card that's going in, just to tie it in a bit. I'll stick this on the card. Squeezing it. Let's see if I can get this off in one piece. Get rid of that. Hold on. Come out. There we go. That's one. There we go. Right, just put a bit of glue on it. Here and there, just to stick it to the page, because once it dries out, it would just come off if I never had glue on it. Right, slap it right in there. Is that going to even go? I don't think it is. I've got all sorts. Oh, good, I found. I can't even cut that little one off. Let's go it down. Otherwise I'll take all day trying to decide what's going to go there. How many minutes? 12. I don't know how much space I've got left on the phone. That should be all glued down now. There you go. It's a quick page. And you can decorate it up more if you want. It's got little hearts. And let's just put that on. There you go, that's it. So it's gone from that to that with just a couple of bits. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.